Hello, Brooklyn here with Auto Video Engage, and welcome to my video on why you should be harvesting video testimonials if you are a business in the automotive service industry. I mean, the concept of video testimonials isn't exactly new, but it has gotten far more popular in recent years. The form of communication through video has skyrocketed, especially since the pandemic, and video is just far more easy to digest and engaging for your audience. So we're also seeing a demographic change here. The number of millennials has outgrown the number of baby boomers, and believe it or not, the average adult spends 6 hours a day now digesting digital content. So, video testimonials are impactful to any business, given that it piques the interest of potential customers. And if you are adding these videos to your website, Google listing, social media platforms, it will increase your SEO, aka drive more people to your website and to your business. But especially in the automotive service industry, an industry that is already plagued with automatic customer distrust, seeing these honest, raw video testimonials from your former customers will give people that trust in your brand and give them that push that they need to visit your shop instead of someone else's shop. And here at Auto Video Engage, we make it as easy as possible for you to harvest these video testimonials. All you do is log into your account, click collect a video testimonial, enter the customer's name, email, and send the request. Once the video is submitted, you will get it back and it will be automatically produced with your logo, music, calls to action, and ready to share anywhere. We understand here that your time in the auto service industry is limited and it is important, so that's why we make it as easy as possible for you to keep up with the digital demands of today's time. And if you want to see how easy it is for yourself, we do have a free trial on our website, no credit card needed. But anyways, that's all I have for you guys today, and thank you for watching. Have a good one. Bye-bye.